This is really weird. I'm out here at night, and I think it's like 6 o'clock at night, and all this is dust. And a few minutes ago it was fine. You can smell the dust in the air. It's like, this is very strange. Got to come out here and roll up my window, but this is spooky. The reason I'm taking this video is I haven't seen anything like this in a while. You can see blue sky up here, kind of, and then it gets very dusty. We had a windstorm like this a few years ago. Had 80-mile-an-hour winds. It knocked the hell out of everything. Look at this. The wind's coming straight at me. I've never seen a dust storm where the wind's picking up behind me. Now it's in my face. It's getting worse and worse and worse. It's just horrible, horrible. I wonder if this is going to be like that one storm the other time. Maybe the neighbors are putting up their windows.